Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Kari and I am going to be sharing a little sneak peek of something coming real soon to Missing Stamps. This is Dancing Bear and look at how sweet this is with the little bunny dancing on his feet. There are music notes and this sentiment is life is better when you're dancing. There's another sentiment that will be available in this stamp set as well. Today I just want to give you a little sneak peek. I am lucky to be able to do this. Every once in a while I get a little sneak at some things coming up and I just get really excited because you know how much I love bears. So when I saw this one, I completely fell in love and I told Heidi that I really would love to show this one in an upcoming video. I'm going to color today with Copic markers. It's my favorite coloring medium of choice, but I think this would also be really cute watercolored. It would be great for no line coloring. I think it would be really fun to have a stenciled background as well. Today I'm just going to color it nice and simple. I've already made this layout here. That sentiment is one of my favorites from the set, and so let's just get into the coloring. I'm using some E57s here. Sorry they're a little bit off screen, but really I just wanted to show you how easy this is to color up and how fun it is to color as well. And it's a quick coloring. See, this is a really quick video. But I did speed this up just a little bit just to show you and give you an idea and a little sneak. I love using the E57s on fur, and there's a lot of different ways you can do fur for animals. Today I'm doing a nice smooth look and I'm going to go over it a couple of times with these E57s to get it darker. I really do need to refill these E family, the E57s, so I was having a little bit of trouble getting it to blend, but I'm going to go over it one more time. You'll see at the end of the video. For the little rabbit tutu or ballerina skirt, I'm using some ballerina pinks. I couldn't resist. I had to do this. Wouldn't this be cute also if you wanted to use some tulle and kind of scrunch it up at the top and make a little tulle skirt to go right over the top? I think that would be adorable and a really fun project. So I'm using the pinks for her skirt. I'm also going to use it for her ears and her little tummy as well. And this is just some really simple coloring. I'm using some darker colors on those pleats and along the edges of the skirt, and then blending it through with some lighter R colors. So here we go with the ears. Very easy to do, easy to color. And then for the bunny, I just kind of wanted to use some cool grays. A lot of times I'll use warm grays when I'm coloring animals, but for this one, I decided a cool gray would look much better since I have that warm bear in the background. So to make it stand out even more, that's what I decided to go with. And it's really just going to give the look of a white rabbit with some shading a little bit. Hopefully that's what I'm going to accomplish here. So I'm using C0, C1, and C3. And I'll just go through and add some shadows and blend that through like I like to do. Very simple. So yeah, it's a little bit of a gray-white rabbit, I guess it is. Now I love this for anyone who loves music. This is a really great birthday card. This could be for dad as well. This is a small stamp set that's coming out, so it's a really great price point. I believe it's a 4x4 stamp set if I'm remembering correctly. But I'll link to it as soon as it's available for purchase in the shop, and so you can go check it out yourself. But isn't this just a doll? And spoiler alert, there may be some additional 4x4 stamp sets you're going to definitely want in your collection. I'm going to finish up the coloring here on the bunny. If you get a little bit of that brown into the bunny like I did here, you can use your colorless blender to just push that color right back out again. And that's all. So I'm adding a little bit of blush to the cheeks of the bear as well, just to give him a little more definition. And again, I'm going to go over all of the coloring. Apologize for my hair here. I usually pull my hair back when I'm doing videos, and apparently I did not do that for this one. But I used a mini scallop border die here just to cut that out. And now I'm going to glue that on some blush pink cardstock to match the tutu on the bunny. And then we'll go ahead and add that to our card base. I'm using really thick card base here. It's 110-pound cardstock. It's going to give it some really great weight. And since this is such a simple card today, I thought that weight would really make it shine. You could also add some enamel dots or some sequins to this, some tulle like I mentioned, some stenciling in the background. But for our sneak peek, I just kept it nice and simple. Hope you enjoyed this little look at what's coming to Missing Stamps. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back real soon with more card making inspiration. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.